Hello friends, how are you? I am fine and today I am very happy because I am going to start English learning channel. I hope मैं आपसे उम्मीद करता हूँ कि you will join my channel and you will learn English. So, firstly I would like to tell you welcome to my channel where I will help you learn English in the easiest way possible. And today in this video we will talk about a very important topic, I mean the importance of English. सबसे पहले हमें इंग्लिश की अहमियत समझने की ज़रूरत है. देन वी विल ट्राई टू लर्न इंग्लिश. सो इंग्लिश क्या है? व्हाट इज इंग्लिश? सो इंग्लिश इज नॉट जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज, इट इज द की टू सक्सेस इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड. And in this video I will share you some important points of importance of English. What is English? So English is a global language. English is spoken almost every country. English is the first language for communication in schools, in offices, in hospital, in banks, on airport, at station, while traveling. आप जहाँ कहीं भी जाए आपको यू हैव टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. आपको इंग्लिश की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ेगी. तो इंग्लिश क्या? VVI, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू सी इन एजुकेशन फील्ड देन यू विल गेट most world's best books, courses, information are available in English. If you know English then you can learn anything. So English is VVI, very important. If you see in job opportunities, about companies, about career, then you will know many big companies want people who can speak, read and write in English. So knowing English can help you get a better job. And nowadays 99% people in the world use the internet, but they don't know 60% content on the internet is in English. So if you know English then you can explore so much information online. If you see about traveling, then when you travel, English helps you talk to people from other countries. If you know English then you can make a lot of friends and you can learn about many cultures. So English is VVI, it means very important. But I have a question. Why am I saying you? Why am I telling you? मैं आपसे क्यों कह रहा हूँ? Because I want you to speak English. मैं आपको चाहता हूँ कि आप भी इंग्लिश बोलें. And if you are excited to learn English, if you want to speak fluently English, if you want to speak confidently English, if you want to speak good English, then definitely join me. I will guide you step by step. And if you give me 10 minutes every day, I will give you my best, and inshallah one day will come you will speak English very fluently. So I would like to tell you again, thanks to visit my channel. Channel name is Your English Journey. So please stay connected with me. I will help you step by step. Thank you.